What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just to set you up real quick right there. Yeah, right there. So I'm gonna be customizing these shoes today, and the thing I like about these shoes is that they're plain white, guys. I already know what the end product's gonna look like. Just dying for it to be on these shoes right here, so that you guys can also see. Can't wait for that. Hope that you guys are gonna like this video. I hope that you guys will stay tuned till the end of the video. And yeah, let's just start customizing, guys. Too much talking. Let's go. What's up, guys? Finally done with the custom. Let me just show you real quick. Woo! I'm looking at it right now, but let me just here we go. This is how the custom came out. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Leave your comments down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about these customs right here, and don't forget to let me know on my socials, guys. My links are in the description below. Let me know what you guys think about these. Follow me on my socials too. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that I can keep on making customs. Oh, yeah. Today is actually one of my special day because of it's gonna be my first time doing my delivery. Actually, it's not the first time, but on camera, it's the first time. So I really am excited about these. How this person's gonna react. I was actually supposed to deliver this a long time ago before the SpongeBob video. So yeah. Let's go. What's up, guys? Finally made it here at campus, right? So I'm going to deliver the shoes to him. Don't worry, if you guys don't understand what is being said between me and the rest of the people, I'm going to leave the subtitles down so that you guys can understand. So don't worry about that. I got you covered. So let's meet him. Let's go deliver his shoes, and then yeah, this is that guy right here. So let me just let him do it. On his own. I just want him to do on his own. Lupe. Let's go. Let's go. Such a good idea. Yeah, boy. I'm not there. Away. Dead. Oh, that you know a phone. You there? Yeah, you there. That's why I was like, yeah.